guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ito na po, ipapakita ko na po sa inyo ang most requested, lagi yung tinatanong na makeup routine ko, which is super weird kasi pare-pareho lang naman yung makeup na sinusuot ko. Pero I promise, pag nagpo-post ako ng selfies sa Instagram, ang dami ko talagang mga nakikitang questions. Ate Toni, makeup tutorial on this look. This was highly requested. One more thing, medyo maingay ngayon sa background kasi last full day na namin ngayon sa Chicago and ito na lang yung time na makaka-film ako na maayos. Pero umuulan. Sobrang bakit ganun? Anyway, we're still gonna be getting started. Oh, by the way, I wanna mention lang my hair. It's doing so great ngayon. Di ba nag-black hair ako? Ito yung, papakita ko lang. Ay, ba't may buhok? Ba't may buhok, besh? I've been using these products by Dove. Paubos na siya kasi almost my entire family na nag-Chicago uses these. Ito yung Dove Nourishing Secrets. We have the Thickening Ritual Shampoo. Uy, nag-match sa outfit ko. Thickening Ritual Shampoo with lavender and rosemary extracts. And we also have the matching conditioner. Meron actually na soap din. Naubos na kasi. So, hindi ko na mapakita sa inyo kasi wala na siya. Like, naubos na. Tunaw na and everything kasi we all use it. We all love it. And I just wanted to give a quick shout out to these products kasi sobrang bango. Grabe. As in, yung amoy nila nakaka-calm down. And especially at night, minsan kasi naliligo ako sa gabi, guys. Para sa umaga, hindi na ako maliligo. Especially when I'm traveling, gusto ko ganun to save time as well. And these have been my best friend. Sometimes, nakakatulog na lang ako ng sobrang bilis. Ito yung favorite ko na amoy ng Dove so far. Kasi ang bango niya, and nakaka-calm down talaga siya. Yung hair ko kasi, it's super thin. As in, sobrang nipis ng buhok ko. So, I find that when I use these, especially sa photos, hindi halata na manipis na. Kasi ganyan siya, oh. I wanted something new to try out for my trip. So, I was like, sige, dalhin natin to, i-test out natin to. And paubos na siya ngayon, as in, I don't know if you can see that, pero it's almost empty. Kasi my mom uses it, she loves it. Sobrang bango niya. Naka-moisturize ng hair din and everything. So, di ba nag-change ako ng color? Kala ko mag-fade siya agad-agad. Kasi bleach pa rin naman yung ends ko, guys. Pero, so far, 2 weeks na ata, or 3 weeks na ata nakalipas. Pero so far, so good. Hindi pa rin talaga buhaghag yung hair ko. Okay yung hair ko. Ayun, pinadalahan kasi ako ng entire range ng Dove. Alam niyo naman yung Ultimate Repair ng Dove. Sobrang nag-work siya sa akin. So when they sent over their new range, sobrang natuwa ako. So dinala ko sa US. I'm super happy to report that I love all of them. Especially the scent. Nakaka-relax lang, nakaka-happy vibes. So super love these. Shampoo, conditioner, I've been using religiously. And the deodorant, of course, is amazing. I wouldn't say this is as whitening as the Ultimate Repair. It maintains the whiteness. It definitely doesn't darken your underarms, pero I feel like this is just a good maintenance product. Sobrang bango kasi nito, tsaka nakakalmado siya. So, ginamit mo yung entire range, promise yan. Sobrang ang bango-bango, ang kalmado talaga ng feeling pag ginamit mo yung tatlong yun. I just want to share. So, if you guys are interested, ayun, check them out kasi ang bango talaga, promise. But anyway, as for my makeup, ito lang yung ginagawa ko. Nag-moisturize na ako kasi medyo madumi dito sa area na to. Pinunasan ko lang siya para hindi siya sobrang dumi. So, I don't want to touch my face as much as possible. So, I'm using brushes. And, yeah, let's just get started. I used to travel with a lot of makeup. And I realized that I was only wearing the same routine or the same kind of look every single day. So, I just pack my basics and essentials. So, I'm using the SEM Concealer. Ito siya. I usually switch between the SEM Concealer or my Flower Beauty Light Illusion. A lot of you guys have been asking ano pa yung isang concealer ko. Ito yun, Flower Beauty Light Illusion. So, for today, the SEM tayo. Kasi ito nga yung very reliable concealer ko. So, ganyan lang. Ang maganda sa US talaga, honestly, if I were to tell you guys, it's in the weather. It's in the weather, honestly. Hindi ako nag-retouch pag nasa States ako. Hindi ako nagdadala ng powder. Pag nasa Philippines kasi ako, pag nasa Pilipinas kasi talaga ako, I cannot forget my retouching powder, so I can't forget my compact, and I can't forget a lipstick. So, pag nasa States ako, ang dinadala ko lang an extra lipstick sa purse or sa bag kasi walang hulas. As in, wala talagang hulas. Especially, ganitong weather. Hindi talaga siya huhulas. So, I'm just blending out my concealer. Also, hindi kailangan ng madami. So, ganun lang. Sabi ko nga, guys, huwag kayong mag-expect na extraordinary na routine. This is so easy. You guys just requested for it. Although I love the weather in the Philippines, very tropical, very summery, pero I enjoy a little bit of coldness here and there naman pag ibang months. I'm just using a spot concealer to conceal any other blemishes. Ito lang yung gamit ko. Sobrang kadiri niya, bestia. So, huwag kayong madiri. Kasi ito talaga yung hands down favorite ko na pot concealer. Ito yung Etude House na Big Cover Pot Pro. Ayan siya. As in, I have hit pan. I use it all the time to just spot conceal my blemishes. I don't have perfect skin. Pero, feeling ko naman, okay, it's fine to let some of those imperfections peek through. Kaya, hindi na ako masyadong nagko-concealer, foundation. Especially, di naman kailangan din na full coverage. Before, guys, promise, I would like pile it on, like use a lot of concealer, foundation, and it would just look cakey. After my concealer, I just go ahead with powder. Again, CoverGirl na Clean Professional, or I use the Vice one. Pero today, I'm gonna use yung CoverGirl kasi hindi na nagmamadali, pero I just want like a quick makeup look. I just use a big fluffy brush, swirl it around my powder, and then just tap it on my skin. Ganun lang talaga ka-natural. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung nakikita nyo na parang ang ganda ng makeup. Sa weather lang, beses. Sa pagkain dito, imbes na nagpapaka-healthy na ako, sabi ko, tumaba ako lalo. Diyos ko, di ko na alam, Lord. Pagbalik sa Pinas na talaga, ang hirap iwasan pagkain dito kasi sobrang ang sarap lahat. Tapos yung portioning, as in, good for two na yung isang order. Grabe, guys. Dami kong chika sa inyo. Pero, ayun. Chumichika na rin pala ako. Sobrang gusto ko talaga bumalik dito. Kahit hindi sa Chicago, sa States lang. It's my 3rd time sa US, by the way. Unang US ko is San Francisco, Las Vegas, and LA ako. 2nd time, I went to New York, Washington, Florida, and New Jersey. And then, 3rd time, I went to Chicago and Milwaukee. My favorite time was still when I went to New York, kasi New York itself is a memorable experience na. Pero, nagustuhan ko rin tong Chicago trip ko kasi sobrang we got to explore it like locals. Parang you got to experience the city like locals. We got to live in an Airbnb. Usually kasi we would stay at hotels, ganon. Yung experience iba sa kung nag-Airbnb ka, and ayun, mas nagustuhan ko yung experience yung nag-Airbnb kasi na-experience ko talaga, commute, ganyan. Wala naman masyadong language barrier pag nasa States, diba? So, it's easy. May Uber. So, it's super accessible. I'm using Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. Ito siya. Number 3 yung gamit ko. I'm using it with an Anastasia brow brush. May kotse lang. Pasensya na natin. Just quickly filling in my eyebrows. Mabilis lang naman gawin yung kilay, guys, eh. As in. So, ito lang ginagamit ko kasi it works for me, and it's super easy to use for me, kaya ito na yung naging go-to ko na pangkilay. Alam nyo, guys, yung favorite meal that I've had, or we've had, was in Wildberry. So, Wildberry, it's near, Magnificent Smile, Cloudgate, and all of that. So, ayan na yung kilay ko. Oh, mukha siyang matapang, pero carry lang. The thing I love about this is that it has 2 shades. So, alam mo yun, madedefine mo talaga yung kilay mo. And maganda yung shade niya. Ay! I messed up! Bronzer that I brought is yung Essence na Luminous Matte bronzer ko in Sunglow number 2. And I'm using the same brush I use for foundation. And I'm just gonna bronze my face. I never skip bronzer, guys. Promise. Pero ganito lang talaga ako mag-makeup ako. When I travel, ganyan lang talaga. Bronzing my face para hindi naman ako sobrang mukhang pastillas. And then, my favorite part, which is contouring, I used L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit in number 2 light to medium with kind of like a shading brush na, di ba na, alam nyo naman, na sira ako na yung Kevyn Aquan ko. Hindi ako nag-repurchase kasi parang mahal. So, nag-look ako ng alternatives. Ito yung hanap ko. And ang ganda niyang color for contour. So, you're gonna see the magic in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. O, diba? Bongga! Hindi ko akalain. May pag-asa pa ilong ko. It's all about finding the right contour product. Tapos, shaping your nose. For blush, ito lang yung dinala ko. Everbala na blushes. I have Rosewood. I have the Chris Aquino one in First Love. And I have Milkweed, but today I'm gonna be using my favorite one, which is Rosewood. Medyo like mauvey, may pagka-mauvey siya. And I'm using the brush I bought from DB. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda ng flush na nabibigay ng EB blushes. Affordable pa sila, so super bet. Ayan siya. Sobrang natural lang ng flush. Ito lang naman, drop blush lang naman ako pag nag-travel ako. As in, I just love blush. Thank you guys ha. Thank you guys kahit na sobrang simple lang ng makeup look ko, na-enjoy niyo siya, apparently. And then I just put a little bit on my chin. Hindi ba yung fog? For highlighter, I'm using Vice Cosmetics Aura Glow in Splendid. Ito lang yung highlighter na dinala ko. Kasi maganda siya. Sorry kung feeling nyo sumisigaw ako kasi may ingay, beshi. So, tinatry kong kalabanin ng ingay. So, ayan lang. Highlighter lang. Of course, don't forget to highlight this part of the face. Ayan lang. Sobrang bilis lang itong makeup look na to, I promise. Blend it out using the bronzer brush. I'm gonna do this off camera na kasi parang ingay masyado. But I use just this eyelash curler I got from NYO na sobrang love na love ko siya. 120 pesos pero bongga bells. And my Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. And I'll be right back. We're almost done, guys. For lips, it actually depends on my mood. So, minsan nag-lip tint na ako and I've been using Everblend na lip tint in Uptown Red. Sobrang okay ng formula nito. But today, I wanted to try out something that I bought from Target lang. And naalala ko yung Sunny's Face nung ginamit ko to. This is NYX Suede Matte Lipstick. Ayan, binili ko lang siya sa Target for $8. Ganun. Sobrang ala Sunny's Face. Even like the bullet. Yan o, powder matte yung parang pinaka-component niya. Ala Sunny's Face. Sobrang ala Sunny's Face. And I love this color. Pero actually, ayoko. Ayoko itong gamitin. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna be using this one para let's go local, syempre. Everblend na lip tint in Uptown Red. Sobrang okay ng formula. Although, hindi siya long-lasting. Pero, I mean, I don't mind catching up kasi very lightweight naman on the lips. So, I like the packaging kasi very, hygienic. Ayan na siya. Ang hindi ko lang masyado nagustuhan dito, hindi siya sobrang long-lasting. But, color-wise, performance-wise, maganda siya. Super pretty. Just for fun, I'm applying this on top, yung NYX na lipstick. For fun lang. Last na I use setting spray. This is Gerard Cosmetics na Slay All Day. And that is it. Sobrang konting setting spray lang kasi hindi naman humulas yung makeup ko dito. That completes my travel US makeup look. Ito na po ang aking US travel look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sobrang miss ko na ang Pinas. Pero mamimiss ko rin ang Chicago. Ayoko pa nga umuwi. Gusto ko mag-extend. Pero syempre hindi pwede kasi may trabaho tayo, beshi. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment down below what you wanna see next on my channel. And of course, I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye!